It's going to depend on where you file and what claims you allege. So it is important that you reach out and talk to an employment lawyer here at Lipsky Lowe before you make that decision. But generally speaking, damages in this area are going to be categorized as things like back pay and front pay. What back pay would be is if you were terminated from your job for an unlawful reason, the measure of that damage would be from the time you were terminated up until the time you found another job. If your case progressed and you were unable to find another job, then front pay damages may come into play. So if your case were to go to trial and you were fortunate enough to be awarded a verdict by a jury, the jury might also award you front pay. And what front pay does is it says, okay, this individual hasn't been able to find a job yet, and we think it might take another year for her to do so or him to do so, so we're going to award a year of front pay that would basically allow you to have some damages to cover that period of time where you're still out there looking for a job. That said, you always have a duty to mitigate your damages, which means you can't just sit back and say, hey, I'm going to collect front pay. You have to go out and look for a new job. Other damages that you can recover are things like emotional distress, punitive damages, attorney's fees.